So since I got this bike, I haven't changed the idle one bit. All I did was change the oil twice since I got it. And put some good fuel in here. Change the spark plug. She runs like a charm. I've watched her a couple times. In a second. Heck yeah. A second first. Yeah, baby. Woo! Redo this garden. There was a bunch of weeds in here last week. See, they pulled them out. I'm thinking about breeding something over here. Plant some moringa, some Carolina Reapers. That's probably not the best thing to plant. It's a public school. Not the Carolina Reapers, at least. And the moringa, they wouldn't know what that was. They would think that was a weed. It looks like one of these trees over here. The leaves do. The leaves of the moringa looks just like the leaves on this beech tree. I think that's what it's called. These leaves. Rip through the woods, y'all. Go. Wow. Woo! Oh, gotta stop for a second. It hit my handle. Felt like it bent my handle down a little bit. It's okay. Could have kept going. Just wanted to check on my brake handle, brake lever. All right, bike's there. Woo, yeah. Yeah, y'all, that was pretty good. I knew I was cutting it close to that tree, but I was like, oh well. I'm unscathed. Let's see if we can get back up there. Of all the places to put the freaking bike, y'all. Freaking hell, y'all. Did I just do that to that tree? Nah, I doubt it. I slept off the seat. I think I need to downshift. Yeah. These are some tight turns. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna take a little break. Chill out. Okay, yeah. So I think this brake pedal being down like that caused an effect on my grip. And I think I did full throttle it for that reason. I can move it back. Ugh. Sucker's not budging. Just gotta be careful with the hand position. You don't want to be crashing. Don't want to crash, y'all. Yeah, I can't get a whole handful without putting my hand further down on the throttle. So I'm using these 3 fingers instead. I'm gonna take it a little easier this time. Other day, y'all, I ripped through this. And we know a GoPro is dead. Woo! It was non-stop. All the way to the top. Woo! Woo! Sounds a little lower than usual. Torqued up, Tao. Calm down, baby. Woo! She's in a feisty mood. She must be mad at me for bending her handle. She's like, calm down, baby. It's all right, baby. Got a little clink clink on the bottom there. This is good practice, y'all. I mean, there's some big ass trees and spikes every freaking where. A little on the dangerous side. I'm geared up, y'all. Willie! Woo! How can I pop it up so easy? It was juiced. Haven't been over here for a long time. Let's say hello to my little friends. Hey, little friends. Yeah, baby. Woo! Back to my territory, y'all. Woo! I'm gonna hit my jump one time before I get out of here. Yeah, y'all. One more time on this jump. Come on, baby. Yeah. Woo! Man, my throttle was all hand all over that throttle. That was not very good. Tried it again. Change that hand position. I want to make sure I don't grab too much of that. Grab too much, baby. Woo! Grab too much, brake. Yeah, man, I gotta get this pedal. I gotta get this handle lever done. Figure out what's going on with it. And I got a piece of lint in my eye. It went down. It's got bent down. I'll loosen up these bolts. How's that? I'll loosen up these bolts and spin it back up. Because it doesn't look like it's bent. It probably just got pressed down. I don't see any dings on it. It's all good. Just needs an adjustment. Looks like a 10mm, 8mm. That jump was lousy, y'all. Even though I'm not set properly, I'm gonna try one more time in the lower gear. That was much better. Much better. I'm getting my confidence, y'all. When I get everything together, you're gonna see some real jumps. You see, I got my ramp waiting for me back at the place. Right now I have like 665 subscribers. Once I get to 675 subscribers, I'm gonna hit that ramp in my backyard, y'all. I'm gonna come around that driveway, do that quick turn, woo, and I'm gonna hit that sucker and see where it goes. I got about 10-15 feet of grass before I land into my neighbor's asphalt driveway, blacktop driveway. So we'll see if I'm more confident than my skill level, or if everything's good. All right, you going back? I don't even need to think about that throttle right now. Yes. Can I make this? Yes. Woo! Woo! Yeah. 10 more subscribers, y'all. I'm gonna hit this ramp right here. Boom. I could probably get about 15-20 miles per hour. At least 10. I'm gonna zoom that sucker. Boom, boom. I just hope I don't leave my potting soil all over the place, because I might reuse this stuff, man. All right, to the next one, y'all.